Hey everyone, Ryan Hauser here, and in this video we're going to talk about 3 secrets to making money online. Now, I really want you to pay attention to this. I have no financial obligation to tell you what I'm going to tell you, but what I'm going to tell you is the absolute truth, and it is what works regardless of anything else that you see or hear out there on the internet that doesn't follow what I'm about to tell you. Okay, first of all, it is not that miracle product or that miracle company that is going to make you money. Doesn't matter what company it is out on the internet. The fact is there's a 98% failure rate for a reason. And it's because you are led down so many rabbit holes. You just automatically obtain the shiny object syndrome and you keep buying this get rich quick crap that doesn't work. All right, so you really need 3 simple things. You need one funnel. Now, what is a funnel? A funnel is a sales funnel. You don't need a web page, you don't need a blog, you don't need any of that. You need a funnel, and then you just focus on that funnel and you critique that funnel and until it converts, okay? Now, what is a funnel? It's basically a system where you're going to have a video, a sales video on the camera. Sorry, I had a fly getting on my leg there. You're going to have basically a sales video, and then you have a button, a call to action. Now, a sales funnel directs the customer and gives them only one option, and it funnels them in to a sale. Okay, it's not like a web page. You know, back in the 90s and stuff, you had these web pages and you have all of these links all over the place, and you know, people were just so new, they were clicking and they don't know where to go. Now you have to tell your consumer, your customer, where to go. Okay, you can't just assume that they're going to know what to do. You literally got to tell them where to go, and you got to give them one choice. If you give them 2 choices, they don't know what to do. I'm not kidding you. It sounds funny, doesn't it? But no, it's the honest truth. People don't like making decisions for themselves anymore. It's absolutely insane, but it is the truth, and it's why sales funnels work, web pages don't work. All right? So the second thing is you do need a product and or service or company or something to promote. Now, this is not as big of a deal as you think it is. Okay, now obviously, you know, yes, a long-term company or etc. would be better as far as you don't have to change anything for a long period of time. You can market the same thing, etc. But the only thing that you really need to pay attention to is if whatever sales pitch you were given or whatever education or whatever product that you purchased, if it sold you, you are able to make money at it. Okay? And so that's all you need to worry about is, was it good enough to sell you? And then, of course, have some integrity behind it. You know, does it work, etc. Okay, and like, is it of good values and not some hypey scam? Okay, and make sure that you have have your morals attached to it. But if it passes your kind of test that way, trust me, you can make money at it. All right, and the third and final thing that you need is just traffic. Okay, just traffic. You don't need to have all of these amazing skills, you know, posting on LinkedIn, posting on Facebook and Twitter, and all of these accounts you literally can be as simple as have a sales funnel with a product or some kind of monetization that you're running them into, and then literally guide traffic, and then lastly, the autoresponder. You need to be able to follow up. See, back in the day, you can run people into a website and you can kind of get your conversion rates pretty high. Well, now people need to see your offer like 7 to 30 times. And that's not a joke. 7 to 30 times before they warm up and they're ready to buy. And the reason is because they've been, in their minds, scammed so many times. Even when they're buying products that they do work, but to them they don't work. But guess what? It's because they didn't work the product. All right, so many people they live their life of victims. And they blame everything but what they need to be blaming, and that's what they see in the mirror. Because if you bought the product, then you can make money at the product. Okay? And so those are your 3 things. One is you need a sales funnel. Second thing is you need to have traffic. And the third thing is you need to have a follow-up sequence of an autoresponder. Now, nowadays, when you're promoting stuff, there's a lot of people that will supply that stuff for you. All right, so if you're looking to join something and you're wanting to basically promote a certain company, make sure that you find somebody who's going to be offering training. If the company itself does not offer a sales funnel or a complete setup that way, then look for a leader in that company, because really good leaders will design a sales funnel and an autoresponder, etc., for their team to utilize, because true leaders understand that true leaders build leaders. They don't just have followers. Okay, they're out there to build leaders, and the best way to help somebody become successful is to give them the tools that they need so they can focus on the one thing that they need to, and that is traffic. All right, so it's not as difficult as you think. People just make it difficult because they think they got to do this, and this, and they start buying all of these trainings. They get overwhelmed, they get stuck. You literally need a sales funnel, and then you need traffic, and then an autoresponder. All right, I hope you've got some value in this. If you have, make sure you like and comment on this video. If you want to see future videos that I'll be coming out with, just head over to ryanlinks.net. Scroll to the bottom and you'll see the other videos that I have coming. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, click the bell notification so that you're notified on my next videos. All right, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I will try to get to them for you. All right, guys, we'll see you in another video.